Hello, ako po si Paterno S. Miguel. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Washington, D.C. Nasa likod natin ngayon yung White House. Ngayon, meron pang mga fence dito. Kailangan natin itong silipin pa at sipatin para lang makita itong opisina ng Pangulo ng Estados Unidos. Nasa likod naman natin yung Washington Monument. Ayun, yung patusok na yon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa US para tignan yung pag-uugnayan ng Pilipinas at Amerika.
It's one of our core relationships, certainly in Asia, but even beyond that. It's a relationship that's defined by, as I said, the many thousands of Filipino Americans who've made a home in our country but remain culturally tied to the Philippines. We will sometimes have concerns, certainly about human rights is one of those concerns. But we also believe we have a relationship with the Philippines where we can talk about some of these areas of concerns at the same time that we pursue a very productive and forward-looking bilateral relationship. We want to make this relationship even stronger.
Sabi nila na sa kabila ng mga salita ni Pangulong Duterte tungkol sa Amerika, mananatiling tapat ang Amerika sa Pilipinas. Pero makikita pa natin kung paano ito mangyayari ngayong may bagong administrasyon ng Amerika sa ilalim ni Pangulong Donald Trump. Paterno S. Miguel, Rappler, Washington, D.C.